welcome back to the next video. So if you read the description on the video, you know what this video is about. I just got my mattress, my Japanese Futon mattress, delivered yesterday. So I'm going to open it up, put it outside to let it air out, and going to sleep on it tonight and then give you guys an update, so it makes sense. So let's get this thing open, because this thing is really big. It's about 35 pounds. I ordered it on Amazon. The link is in the description box, what I purchased. Not sponsored or anything, but gonna be checking this out. So let's get it open. They say you're supposed to be putting this in the sun outside, but today is not sunny, so it's going outside and airing out anyway. Also too, this is the queen size. They have full, twin, queen, and king. And a whole bunch of like 25 different colors. Here it is. Just need to unwrap it from the packaging, and I'm probably gonna do that on the balcony. I'm gonna say first off, my porch is very messy. So let's get this thing unwrapped. So here it is, all laid out. It kind of has like a chemical smell to it, so I'm really hoping that it actually goes away. Here, you have some ties, so you can actually tie it out. I'm probably going to be tying it out here in the next couple weeks, because you're supposed to, if I read right, you're supposed to let it air out like once every couple weeks. So I'm just probably going to let it sit here over today, and like I said, hopefully it kind of gets the smell out of it a little bit. It's pretty thick, a little bit thicker than what I thought, and it does have a zipper. It does have a zipper here. So just out of curiosity, I just opened up the zipper, and it's just a bunch of filling. A bunch of just stuff filling, in case you want to take some out, put some in, whatever like that. Hi guys. So today I'll give you an update on the bed, or the mattress. This is actually my second night sleeping on it. I didn't record the first night because I got up at like 4 o'clock in the morning and I didn't really feel like recording. So I really didn't feel like recording, so I just woke up. I just woke up probably about 10 minutes ago, and thought I'd give you guys an update. Let's go first off to say I love this mattress. The first night was a little awkward. It took me a little while to get comfortable, but once I did, I fell asleep and I slept really good throughout the night. Last night it was the same thing. It took me a little while to get comfortable. It took me a little while to get comfortable, and once I fell asleep, I slept throughout the night. One of the reasons why me and my husband decided to get this bed is because both of us, me and my husband, were having really bad back pain. But my back is feeling a lot better. With the first night, it ached a little bit, but not as bad as it did with our other mattress, and it feels, my back doesn't hurt right now, which is really good. So that's really good. I'm really impressed because I didn't think it'd be this soon before my back would stop hurting. So anyway, I love this mattress so far. I'm probably gonna give you guys update at like a month or a couple months and stuff. So, and then probably a couple videos of how to take care of it and stuff like that. So I'm really impressed with this mattress, and yep, I think I found my new bed. So anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys from tomorrow. Bye.